Hello and welcome back to the Rugged Rockhound. You might have been wondering, wait, he said he was going to go back to that amethyst vein. Was he going to do that? Yes, I just decided to put it on a second video though. There was so much that we did there. That's plenty enough for one video. However, this video will likely be a little shorter because my goal is to get back up to where the amethyst vein was. It went over to that hill and then extended behind that hill, and the spot I found the amethyst was more on that side. So we're gonna hike back up there to try and find that spot where I found the really good stuff, hopefully get a few pieces for everybody, and then just explore around some more. We haven't been in this lower area here because we originally came from that side and walked over. So there might be some new stuff here to find. Maybe do a little bit more hiking, maybe go a little further up than we did last time. Whatever the case, but it's starting to drizzle again, so depending on weather, we might just have to get out of here sooner rather than later. I don't know. Anyway, here's the GPS coordinates to where we're currently parked. Okay, so we're just gonna hike right up and get up to that amethyst vein and see what else we find on the way. And not too far from the vehicle, we got a piece right there and a little piece right there. I won't be keeping those, but nice to see them already. I see something nice right there. So there's the vehicle down there. I decided to come up on the right side because when we came up, we went across the left ridge right there. So I already know what's there. So I wanted to know if there's stuff on this side. Anyway, this is something I've seen so far. Oh, that looks pretty good. All right. Doesn't look like there's much going on inside, but not too bad. It's a good sign of what might come later. Ooh. Actually, there's another right here to take a look at. Bigger. Still not seeing anything, but that doesn't mean there isn't anything in it. Just not visible from the outside. So I found that one was just a small one. I left it, saw that. But this one I think is a little bigger. I'm trying to get out with my fingers. I'm using different gloves because the other ones are soaked. But these aren't very good for picking things up. So let me try and kick it out. There we go. Oh, wow. Wow, that's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. Well, that's a pleasant surprise. Can't tell what's like further in. Might not be anything, but it's bigger. So that's the biggest one I've seen so far. Got another little one there, but this is the one I was eyeballing. Let's get it out if I can with these gloves. Oh, thanks. There we go. Sorry. Okay, there. Pried it out. That's a good size. Nice. Oh, quartz pocket. I'll take that. That should clean up nice. Wow. That's a big one. So Gary found this one. Look at that. Well, maybe it was part of the seam further up. I don't know. Maybe. That looks nice, though. Yeah. That should be good. Let's put it on in the back. Yeah. In the pack. There we go. All right, the rain has got a little bit of slush in it, so it's getting colder. Anyway, I saw this and thought it might be something. Yeah, that's part of a seam. Oh, there's more of it. Yeah, well, that's neat. Those are parts of a cool-looking seam. There's another one. Huh, wonder where those came from. They might be coming out right here somewhere. All right. Well, there's that other one I found. Let's pile them up here just a minute. Take a look for any more of that seam. I'm not seeing much more. Yeah, I think it was coming out right here. Well, cool. We'll get those in my pack and keep heading up. Here's this piece cut open. I think it's going to be a lot of calcite. Yeah. Unfortunately, that's mostly calcite. Oh, well. Here's this one cut open. More calcitiny, but still a lot of calcite. But there's a little bit of purple right there. Some amethyst. Here's this one cut open. Oh, that's a lot of calcite. A lot of calcite. Here's this one cut open. Mostly calcite. Here's this unusual one cut open. All right, there's a bit going on in there. That's kind of cool. Just found that. Piece of a nodule. Had a quartz pocket in the middle. Nice. And Gary said he found a nice big piece of the seam. So yeah, we're not too far from it. We should be getting more pieces of it. But we want to focus on the amethyst. Yeah. The good ones. The really good pieces. Anyway, still finding little bits here and there, but mostly not stuff that I'm too keenly interested on. We'll keep working our way toward the seam. So I haven't been finding much along this hillside. So on the way back, I want to go down the other side. But I did find this. I'm not going to keep it because I don't really see anything in it that I want to keep it for, but it's a good size. And the seam should just be over that rise. So we're not far from it. All right. The seam that Logan originally found was right through there, if I remember correctly. And I saw this. I want to take a closer look at. That's interesting. It might be a jasper agate mix or volcanic rock mix. I think it's worth cutting though. Yeah, we'll take that back. And I did see a few pieces right there of the seam that he got here, which is not what I want. What I want is over there. Here's this strange one cut open. Not sure what to expect here. Oh, mostly volcanic. Okay. Nice little seams in it, but mostly just volcanic rock. And then I see something else right here that looks really nice. That looks fantastic. Because there's a lot of stuff going on inside of it. Yeah, I think, where the agate's meeting up with jasper and other things. We're back into it. I haven't seen specifically the sections that I remember being the amethyst, but oh, that looks more like it. Now we're getting there. Okay, I'm in it. That's the piece I remember. That's what it looked like. And inside it was amethyst. Good, okay. Got a piece of it now. So now I can show everybody and hopefully find some more. Ugh, maybe. It's a bit thin, but it's big enough. I think that's worth taking back. We will take that back. Looks like you got a piece of it. Yes, that's exactly what I was looking for. That should have purple in it.
I'm assuming this probably doesn't.
May or may not. This one's a little thicker. So maybe.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe. But it's big enough, it's worth taking back. So, might have a piece there. Let's dig down into it. Oh, it's pretty good size. Oh, yes. That might be part of it.
Oh, that's a big one.
That might have amethyst in it. That is worth taking back, I think. All right, let's go park that next to the pack. Excellent. That's what we want to find. That's what we're looking for. There's a piece. There's a piece. I think I see a piece there, but that might be too thin. But I got this one.
I think you saw that piece.
Check this one right here. That's hiding under the bush. I'll leave that one. It's a little thin. So we've all been finding multiple pieces. I've already got several things I've put out in my pack, but this one's a really good hopeful. That looks right from the outside, and I started to pick into it, and it's big. Yeah. All right, that's a good amethyst hopeful right there. Sweet. Let's go add it to the pile. So yeah, I've been finding those pieces, and we've got some other cool things, like that. That's sweet. But yeah, I've got a lot of good looking pieces here. Okay, Logan just found this, and I think this is the best piece of the day. Look at that. You got the nice chalcedony look all through it. This is probably going to be amethyst, and it's huge. Biggest one I've seen. This is probably going to be phenomenal. Well done. Saw that sticking out. Was like, that looks like the stuff. Went to dig it out, and it's bigger than I thought. So let's dig it out. Hiding under the bush. Should be good. Should be some amethyst. If I can get it out. That bush has got it wrapped around its roots or something. There we go. Oh yeah. Yep, that's, look, I can even see a little bit of purple through there. Sun's coming out. Woo.
Holy smokes. It's hot.
Amethyst. I think Gary's found where a lot of it's coming out. Look at that. That's the seam. He has found where it's coming out. Well done.
Yeah, we need to dig this bad boy out.
Yeah.
I just assumed it's gender.
Look at that. That thing's huge. Are these other ones of yours?
No.
This is part of the seam too. Holy crap.
I think this is attached.
Well, there's plenty here for everyone. Wow. That's gonna probably have amethyst in it. Look at that. You can already see a little bit of the purple bleeding through on that.
Oh yeah.
Is this a different rock or is this the same rock? This is a different rock.
Yeah. That's probably gonna be stuff. Look at all this. That right there is not gonna have amethyst though. So there's definitely a part of it that's gonna be amethyst and a part that's not, it looks like. So that's the hard thing, finding the parts where the amethyst actually is. Oh gosh, that might have it in it too. Oh, this is where I might have to say no to big rocks. They might be too big. Look at that. I do not have a hammer and chisel with me. And these ones behind you?
Yeah.
That's amethyst. That's part of the amethyst scene. All of that.
Oh, look at the big piece right there.
Jeez. Look at that. Oh goodness.
Uh-oh. You better claim it, Trent.
There you go. Look at that. Dang. There's more right there, and that's probably the tip of an iceberg. Yep, that's the tip of an iceberg. And I think it ends right about up here. All right, managed to cut this massive long one. Oh boy, here we go. Ooh. Whoa. All right, a lot less purple than I was hoping. Ooh, but there's a lot going on in there, isn't there? Whoa. There's the other side. Well, that's very interesting stuff. All right. Here's this piece of seam that I'm hoping has amethyst. We'll just take a look at one side. Oh, a little bit in it. Not a lot, but it did have some. That's still good. That's what we're hoping for. Oof. Man, this one's fractured. Don't know if I can do much with this one. Really fractured. But it has purple in it, so yeah. Here's this massive one cut open. All right, amethyst. Oh, yeah, there's some purple in there, but oh, is it fractured? Whew. Ah, that is heavily fractured. Oh, yeah. Ooh, probably too fractured. Yeah, well, still cool. Here's this piece of seam cut open. Oh, yeah, not much purple, but it's still really cool stuff. Still really neat. Here's this one. This should have purple. Oh, just a little in the middle. Oh, there used to be so much more. Unfortunately, so much of it has been bleached by the sun. Ah, well, it happens. Here's this one cut open. Come on, purple. Yes. All right, that's decent. That is a decent amount of purple. The glare. Let me rotate the camera a little bit more. I'm trying to keep the glare from the sun off. That's a little better. Oh, nice. That's got some decent purple in it. Heavily fractured. Still pretty fractured. But other than that, nice. Here's this one cut open. Come on, Amethyst. Oh yeah, there we go. That's some pretty good purple. Not too shabby. Here's this one cut open. Oh nice, there's some purple. Really fractured at the top, that's alright. The bottom part's the good part anyway. Sweet. If anybody was doubting about the amethyst, I just flipped that over and look at that. Purple, 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 purple. Amethyst.
Wow.
Well.
Where does that go?
This is and that's part of the seam, so the seam goes down.
Well, I mean, how are we going to get it home?
I don't know what to do. It's too big. I don't know what to do.
I'd put it in my yard. That'd be a good yard rock.
Except that the amethyst will go bleached by the sun.
You know, how long does it take to bleach it?
Oh, that's a good question. It's at least, I think it's, I don't actually know. I'm going to have to go research that. Different amethysts will bleach at different speeds, but I do think it takes decades. Oh, yeah, it's right there.
I'll be dead by then.
Oh, amethyst.
It's all attached
Amethyst.
to the ground.
In case I need a thumbnail. And we're back at the vehicle. Oh, what a day. So I didn't film a whole lot on this one because it was mostly all the same, but I came down with a pack completely full of good looking amethyst. I actually was breaking something down and hit my face a little bit. But that's all right. It's all part of the work. Anyway, we're back at the vehicle. We're gonna head out. I know it's a shorter video, but depending on how much of it I cut open, you're gonna see a lot of beautiful purple. Until next time, remember, there's treasure everywhere.